It's Don from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making an Italian potato salad. We are basically going to parboil some potatoes, some green beans, toss it in a very, very tangy vinaigrette. We're gonna throw in some cubes of mozzarella and some Parmesan for those potatoes to soak up all of that vinegary, cheesy flavor. Yeah, let's go. To taste our Italian potato salad. Look at how gorgeous. The tomato, the green bean, and that potato just kind of coats the mozzarella. Another round, please. Another round? Another round. So good.
12 Tomatoes.